What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today, as you can already tell, we're gonna be watching some very satisfying police and karma instant justice moments. Call on dashcam, of course. All you have to do now is to sit back, relax, and without any further ado, let's dive into this now, shall we? Alrighty, we're gonna start today's video with a little fun fact. You are 10 times more likely to get pulled over if you do something illegal. And also some say it's even more than that. But anyways, that guy was like, would you look at that, this is the work of a genius. Up until he saw the 5-0. And then it wasn't so funny anymore all of a sudden. At least for him, for us it was hilarious. And here goes another hillbilly dingleberry. He's like, yes, I got away. No, I did not. Damn those unmarked police cars. And now this is what you get when you mix a lot of power with a lot of stupidity. Whack!
Oh my god, no she did.
Yep, she did. And do you just hate it when the police is interrupting your illegal activities? How dare they? And in this case the police is using all of their angry government horsepower to catch the guy who is doing 5 over the speed limit. Okay, maybe it's 55, but who am I to judge? Let's see what is going on here, and give it some power, and he's gone. That car has 3 gears, here, there, and gone. And of course the 5-0 doesn't like that. Or maybe they do, but they just don't want to admit it. Who knows? Alright then, we are now joining into a 5-star police chase of a red Camaro and one dingleberry behind the wheel. Will we see a PAPP, which stands for power and pole position? At the moment it seems it's more likely he will get a 3 position than a pole position, but we'll wait and see. Here we go, it's the moment of truth, and booyah, you have the right to remain silent and not to drop the soap in a shower. But that's optional, of course. It all depends on what you like, really. And while I was distracted once again, I missed all of the action. But anyways, the show must go on. This is what happens when you order some donuts and they messed up your order. They got it completely wrong. And even the police arrived because they thought they were gonna get some free donuts. But they're in for a surprise. Leroy Jenkins! Oof.
Oh.
Bro went full send it into a cup. And right after that he was like, can I get a copy of that? Like the dude from Tokyo Drift. And now we're in a country where the spiders are so big they can apply for a job. But still you can go through a red light, because the 5-0 will get ya. Alright boys, the coast is clear, we're gonna do this quickly, it's gonna be an easy job. You just wait here and I'm gonna go in there and get us some money. We're gonna be rich! No, stop, you stupid, stop! There's the cops behind us. Oh crap, I forgot my wallet actually. How silly of me, nothing to see here, officers. I was just trying to pay for my petrol. And you know what, I actually forgot my wallet at home, so don't mind if we leave. See ya! Oh, you cheeky little sausage. He thought he was gonna get away with it. He was like, I'm just gonna squeeze through here real quick and nobody's gonna see me. But he was wrong. And now it's time for some power! Woo! Whoa, hold it, don't go full Mustang, bro. You're a Camaro. Act like it. Transform or something like that. Well, at least he didn't crash, but it was a fail still. And thanks from the swift reaction from the police officer at the scene, the guy was caught really quickly. After only 5 business days. And this guy here is like, excuse me officer, move, why you're in my way? And the cop is like, okay, no problem, but my mustache would like a word with you, so pull over right there. Let's see here. Our bro here is like, psst, there's a cop, don't let him know I'm here. Oh, they saw me. I'm terribly sorry officer, but this is not what it looks like. I was just slipstreaming. I was just trying to save some fuel. I wasn't bullying him out of the way or anything. I just wanted to save some fuel, that's it. But anyways, let's see what is going on here. I'm sure it will be a 900 IQ play. Yep, there we go. There we go. And of course the 5-0 joins the chat. Just as he thought, yep, this is working out, I'm gonna get out of here in no time. The risk he took was calculated, but damn, he's bad at maths. And now the Charger is charging down the road and he's busted. His little joyride was short-lived. He didn't see that cop on a motorcycle. Oh no, dude, stop, it's not that hard. And what is this? It sounds like a fire truck, but it's an SUV. What the hell? And the 5-0 is like, don't worry, bro, I got him. I got your back. Whoa. How this Dingleberry didn't see the dashcam guy. He only had one job and he failed. He probably found his license in a cereal box. And now he's gonna get a ticket for being a Dingleberry. Simple as that. On to the next one. Let's see here. Bro is indicating that's a good start. Be patient. Stop. No. Be patient. Oh. It's like he waited for them. But still, I don't think they're gonna give him a ticket. It's gonna be just a warning. And here we have another hot pursuit. Let's see how this one will end. I mean, we all know, but let's wait and see still. Oh no, is that a Mustang? Leave him alone, leave him alone, leave him alone, please. No, no, no! And he's gone. And now he will be revenge hungry. He'll be out looking for crowds. Let's take a look at another angle, and booyah, you're done. That was a sick 360, by the way. Oh no, 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 not again, bro. You're now really pushing it, you know. You don't want to get the Mustang mad, because he will go full Mustang and you know the rest, basically. Whoa, that truck was flying, and it's not an airplane, so he's gotta get pulled over. There we go, there we go. The 5-0 is in a case, which is nice. That was a clean red. Let's see here. Let's see what is going on in the land of freedom. So far everything is okay.
What the hell?
Until it's not anymore. Hiding in plain sight tactic didn't work in this one. Oh, hello there. Bro is taking the shortcut. He saw that empty space and said, it's a free real estate. And just imagine if that truck decided to turn right. That would be quite a show. And the police is like, wait for me, I wanna go over there too. They were like, wait, that's illegal. And then proceeded to do the same thing. That's double standards if you ask me. Whoa, 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 you're really pushing your luck. But even without that, I would still pull him over because he drives a Tesla. And that's a big violation if you ask me. Just kidding, but still, I don't like electric cars. And to be honest, they're still all better than a Prius. Prius is evil. Let me know in the comments if you agree, but I think you do. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support. It really means the world to me. And if you enjoyed in today's video, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all. Stay awesome. Don't drive the Prius, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.